Hey, Eric Goodwill here, Renaissance Painting and Carpentry. I'm in East Vancouver. We just finished restoring this porch. So what happened was, this is an over 100-year-old house. Somebody had enclosed this and put a laundry room in, and over the years they had like a tongue and groove porch, and then they added plywood on top of that, and then they added another deck, and each successive deck was rotting. Water was coming in, drywall was rotting, it was a mess. So what we did is we tore it all off. The 6x6 post, we replaced the top part of it, we strapped that in, and then we added some finishing. We put in all new flashing, we put in a new plywood deck, and we coated it and sealed it. So what we did was we put in a rubberized decking called, it's like Spantex, and that's all sealed. We put in these cant strips. We kept a bunch of the existing posts, but reinforced them and supported them. And then we added a bit of a slope to the deck here. When it rains, the rain comes in just through this gap here and gets quite wet. But with this slope and the proper drip cap on there, the water is going to shed, and we've sealed it. We also we removed the bottom few boards on the old siding, and we sealed up all the way up about 6 inches, and we did that on the side as well here. If you kind of come on up here, you can see that we put in a cant strip here as well, right in along here. So, and then we put seam tape and we caulked and everything. So this is an over 100-year-old house, probably built around 1910 in the Strathcona neighborhood of Vancouver. And this is the original area where all the tradespeople, the bakers, the carpenters would have all lived with their families. And it's an amazing neighborhood right near Chinatown. And we fixed this up, and it's going to last. And we did it in an economical way that makes sense. So Eric Goodwill, Renaissance Painting and Carpentry here in Strathcona in Vancouver's east side. Thank you very much.